This video is brought to you by Canva. Hello guys, welcome to another episode of our Star YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to discuss about how you can actually playlist your music on Audiomack playlist. So make sure to watch this video to the end, and please make sure to subscribe, and let's get into the video.
Make it all come true.
So guys, the first step for you to actually submitting your music to Audiomack playlist is that you must firstly get verified on Audiomack. So I've actually done a tutorial video of how you can actually get verified on Audiomack. You can check the link in the description below, or you can click the card above to lead you to the video. So once you are verified, then this procedure will be very easy for you to do. So what you're going to do now is you log in into the desktop version of Audiomack. Click on creators dashboard. Click on creators dashboard. Then after that, click on these three lines right up above. Then click on manage content. Then once you click on manage content, you will see a test that is on orange test that they say submit to trending and playlist. Click on that test. Then from that test, it will show you the list of songs that you have in your Audiomack or songs that you have uploaded. So the thing is that if the song is 4 weeks old or 1 month old, so that song will be eligible for playlisting in Audiomack. So select the song that you actually want to playlist on Audiomack. Then once you have selected it, select the kind of genre that the song actually contains. For me, I'll go for Afrobeat. You also select Afrobeat, then they'll say congratulations, your song has been submitted for trending consideration. If your song gets added to trending on any playlist, you receive an email notifying you. So with that, you have actually submitted your song for playlist consideration. Then after that, you will get an email from Audiomack that you have been successfully playlisted. Then from there you can actually get more plays in your music. Alright guys, see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.